Hi friends, today we are making a budget-friendly Indian Sunday lunch, hot fried aloo poori with bright masala potatoes. It is hearty, festive, and made from simple pantry ingredients, so it feels special without spending much. This recipe makes 4 servings and takes about 45 minutes. Ingredient walkthrough starts here. 2 cups whole wheat flour gives the pooris a nutty flavor and a sturdy puff when they hit the hot oil. 1 cup warm water, divided, hydrates the dough first and later helps the potato masala turn glossy instead of dry. 3 cups plus 4 tablespoons vegetable oil, divided, seasons the dough, fries the spices, and gives us enough depth for puffed pooris. 1 1/2 teaspoons salt, divided, seasons both the poori dough and the potato filling so the whole plate tastes balanced. For medium boiled potatoes, peeled and cubed, make this lunch filling, inexpensive, and perfect for stretching a Sunday meal. 1 teaspoon cumin seeds adds a toasty Indian base note as soon as it sizzles in the oil. 1 small onion, thinly sliced, brings sweetness and body to the quick potato masala. 1 green chili, finely chopped, gives gentle heat without making the dish expensive or complicated. 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger wakes up the potatoes with warmth and a fresh sharp aroma. 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric gives the potato masala its sunny yellow color and earthy flavor. 1 teaspoon ground coriander adds a citrusy, savory spice note that makes the simple potatoes taste fuller. 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder adds color and a little warmth. Adjust your serving with chutney later if you like it hotter. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro adds the fresh green finish that keeps the fried bread and potatoes tasting bright. 1 tablespoon lemon juice finishes the potato masala with a clean, tangy lift. We begin the preparation with the poori dough. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups whole wheat flour with 1/2 teaspoon of the salt, and stir until the salt is evenly spread through the flour. Now that the dry base is ready, add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil and rub it into the flour with your fingertips for 1 minute, until the mixture feels lightly sandy. Pour in 3/4 cup of the warm water a little at a time, mixing as you go, then knead for 5 minutes until you have a firm, smooth dough that is not sticky. Cover the dough and let it rest for 20 minutes. This short rest makes the pooris easier to roll and helps them puff more evenly in the oil. While the dough rests, start the potato masala. Heat 3 tablespoons vegetable oil in the stainless steel skillet over medium heat until the oil looks glossy. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and fry them for 30 seconds, just until they sizzle and darken slightly. This flavors the oil before the onions go in. Add 1 small thinly sliced onion and cook for 6 minutes, stirring often, until the slices soften and turn light golden at the edges. Now add 1 finely chopped green chili and 1 teaspoon grated fresh ginger. Fry them with the onions for 1 minute, until the ginger smells fragrant. Sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, and the remaining 1 teaspoon salt. Stir for 30 seconds so the spices bloom but do not burn. Add 4 medium boiled, peeled, and cubed potatoes. Toss them through the spiced onions, then lightly mash a few pieces as they cook for 2 minutes so the masala clings to the potatoes. Pour in the remaining 1/4 cup warm water and cook for 5 minutes, stirring now and then, until the potatoes are moist, yellow, and coated rather than saucy. Turn off the heat, stir in 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro and 1 tablespoon lemon juice, then keep the potato masala warm while we roll and fry the pooris. Now that the dough has rested, knead it for 30 seconds, then divide it into 12 equal balls. Keep the balls covered so they do not dry out while you roll. Roll 1 dough ball at a time into a 4-inch round, about 1/8 inch thick. Try not to use dry flour here, because loose flour can cloud the frying oil. Pour 3 cups vegetable oil into the black iron kadai, making sure the oil stays below the halfway mark for safe frying. Heat it over medium-high heat to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully slide in 1 rolled poori. Press it very gently with a slotted spoon and fry for 45 seconds, until it balloons up and the underside turns golden. Flip the poori and fry the second side for 30 seconds. Lift it out, let extra oil drip back into the kadai, and move it to drain. Continue frying the remaining pooris one at a time. Keep the oil between 350 and 365 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusting the heat so each poori puffs without burning. Let the fried pooris drain for 1 minute so the surface sets and the edges stay lightly crisp, while the centers remain soft and airy. To close the cooking, give the potato masala a final warm stir over low heat for 2 minutes if it has cooled. Turn off the heat, and the aloo poori is ready to serve. And there it is, a budget-friendly Indian Sunday lunch that feels special because those hot fried pooris puff up beautifully beside bright, lemony potato masala. Serve it right away while the pooris are warm and soft. If this simple Sunday meal made you hungry, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more home cooking ideas.